Hey, everyone, welcome to a journey that could change your life. Are you feeling stuck in your current job? Do you wake up every morning dreading the monotony of your daily routine, looking for a way to unlock your potential and elevate your career? Imagine a future where you're excited to go to work every day. Welcome to Skillify_AI, where your future starts today. Here, we believe in empowering you to achieve your dreams. Imagine this. You're at your desk feeling unfulfilled. The clock ticks slowly and you can't help but wonder if there's more to life. You know you have the potential for more, but you're not sure where to start. The path ahead seems unclear and daunting. This is where Skillify_AI comes in. We specialize in transforming careers through top-notch digital skills training. Our mission is to guide you every step of the way. Whether you're venturing into data science, cloud computing, or digital marketing, our courses are designed to equip you with the essential skills for the thriving digital economy. We offer a wide range of programs tailored to meet the demands of the modern job market. What makes us stand out? It's our commitment to excellence and innovation. Our strong partnerships with world-renowned universities and a hands-on, practical approach ensure that you receive the best education possible. We believe that real-world projects and immersive live classes are the keys to preparing you for tomorrow's challenges. Our interactive sessions are designed to keep you engaged and motivated. Picture yourself diving into a data science project, analyzing real data sets, and making impactful decisions. The skills you gain will be immediately applicable in your career. Or imagine mastering cloud computing and becoming the go-to expert in your team. You'll be equipped to handle complex challenges and drive innovation. With Skillify_AI, you're not just learning, you're doing. Our hands-on approach ensures that you gain practical experience. But don't just take my word for it. The success stories of our learners speak volumes. Let's hear from some of our learners. Their journeys are a testament to the transformative power of Skillify_AI. Jane, now a data analyst, says, Skillify_AI gave me the confidence and skills to transition from a mundane job to a fulfilling career. I never thought I could achieve so much in such a short time. Mark, a cloud engineer, shares, the hands-on projects were a game changer. I landed my dream job within months. The practical experience was invaluable. Our mission is to empower millions of learners to land promotions and new job opportunities. We are dedicated to helping you achieve your career goals. And we're committed to your success every step of the way. Your journey with us is a partnership. So, what are you waiting for? The future is in your hands. Take control of your career and join the Skillify_AI community today. Together, we can achieve greatness. Visit our website, explore our course offerings, and start your journey to a better future. The first step is just a click away. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future of education is here with Skillify_AI. We are excited to be a part of your journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more inspiring content. Stay connected with us for the latest updates. #SkillifyAI, #digital skills, #career growth, #online learning, #future of work. Join the conversation and share your success stories with us. Catch you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and growing.